here is a hint about how to draw a line of best fit on Google Docs, and then how to find the rate of change, initial value, and best fit equation. So, okay, you're going to want to go to Insert, and then Drawing, New, and then you're going to want to find your screenshot that you took, and then paste it into there. Awesome. Okay, so now you can use the line tool to draw a line of best fit, which is going to be kind of weird shaped here. Like, because the line almost seems to be curved, so getting a line to fit it's going to be weird. I'm going to start right here and go up. Let's see. I think maybe right there might be a good representation of the data. Maybe there, actually. I'm just eyeballing this here. Okay, and again, I told you to make it green, so we'll do that. We'll make it a little bit thicker so that it's easier to see. And here is my line of best fit. Okay, so then I want to find the rate of change of that line. I'm going to start looking for lattice points that we can use. So again, I'm going to take my line tool and I'm going to draw. I see a lattice point right here where the line of best fit crosses through a grid line. So I'm going to draw a line as straight up as I can make it, and then draw another one right here. Okay, nice work. All right, and I'll make those blue and a little bit wider so that you can see them better. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. And then when you have those, you can figure out what the rate of change is going to be. Since I'm here, I'm also going to do a circle for the initial value, which is going to be where this line of best fit hits the y-axis. So that's actually going to be like right there-ish, perhaps. Uh-oh, I want that to be transparent, and let's make it red. Okay, so let's do that. If I decide to save and close this, it should show up right there. Awesome. Okay, so then from there, I need to figure out what my rate of change actually is. So I know that since 5 boxes here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 1,000, that means one box must be 200. So I'm going to go that this is 200, 400. So this is going to be 400, and what are we even talking about here? 400 points. Aha, 400 points scored during a season. So we're going to do that. And then after that, we're going to do 400 points scored during a season per, well, let's see, each box is also worth 200 here. So 200, 400, 600, 800. So 200 points scored during a season per 800 minutes playing. Okay, well then we can go on up and do that. So we're going to do 200, wait, what did I say? 400 points scored during a season per 800 minutes played. I want to check that because I can't necessarily remember that. Yeah. Oh, no, wait. That's a total lie because each of these is 200, 200, 400, 600, 800. No, it's right. Okay, awesome. So then that's going to be my rate of change, which I think we can actually simplify that down. Yeah. What's 400 divided by 800? That's roughly 1/2. Yes. Okay. So then I'll let you interpret that here. The y value, though, the y-intercept is going to be, looks like actually 0, -200. Let's see if we can interpret what that means in this situation. So at 0 minutes played, a player has scored -200 points for their team. So that's what it means in context, because that's what each of those represents. And this might be a situation where it doesn't necessarily make that much sense for, like it just doesn't make sense in the real context of real life. So if we take those and we make them into a y equals mx plus b equation, we might do y equals, let's see, m is our slope or our rate of change, so 1/2 x minus 200, which is our initial value.